Welcome to Code Genius. Today we are going to learn how we can open a text editor without creating file by our own going to our desktop. Actually, we are going to desktop through Git. Okay, so just type here Git and you will find Git bash here. You can click or just press enter and your Git will open. Alright, now let's navigate to desktop. CD means change directory, desktop, and now we are on desktop of our computer. Okay, then let's check what we have on our desktop. We have a lot of files. Okay, now we want to create, let's clear it first so that we can see each and everything. I want to create, we can create by two commands if you are using um, Unix operating system or using Mac operating system. You can just write touch. Okay, if you are using Windows, touch will work in some computers if it is new. If it is old computer, you have to write make directory, mkdir, and we can name anything. Let's name it Web Genius. Okay, Web Genius. It will always better if you put underscore. Okay, then just press enter and a directory or file has been created. How we can check it? You can check it writing a command ls and press enter. And Web Genius, where is Web Genius? Here is Web Genius. All right, here is Web Genius. Now let's clear it. Okay, where are we? We are on desktop. Now we have to change directory, means we have to go to the file that we have created. What is it? It is web underscore genius, right? Yes, now we are inside the Web Genius. Now we have to create a new file that is index.html and press enter. We are not sure whether it has been created or not until we check it. How we can check it? We are already inside of the desktop, and on desktop we have created a folder. Okay, we are already inside the folder, and just ls command and we can see index.html is there. Okay, now how we can open text editor? Going to computer directly rather than going from Git. Just I want to open Atom editor, Atom, a space, then a dot, and press enter, and Atom editor will open here. It's opening, right? All right, that's the beauty of Git. Okay, so very quickly we could open Atom editor. Okay, we didn't need to create files and new file here from file. Directly we could do it from Git. Okay, then we can write our HTML code. Just write ht, then press tab, and HTML code has been written here. All right, now just we can write h1 tag and press enter or tab and write hello. It's so beautiful. Okay, just save, Control S, and we can open it from here. Right button click, show in Explorer, and we can open from our folder. It's opening or not? If it is not, then we have to again right button click, go to show in Explorer. I guess it is already open right here. Okay, where it is, right here. Index.is, double click or right button click, and hello, it's so beautiful. This is our basic website. Okay, now those who are very new, fresh in programming or web design or development, it will be a huge milestone for you if you can just practice this much. I will continue this tutorial next. I want to keep it short. Okay, so those who are feeling this video or videos are slow for you, just click on the video. I will show you how you can make it faster. Okay, just go to the settings, click on normal, and you can make it 1.25 or 1.5, or even if you like or want to save time, you can make it double. Okay, now if you run it,
Yes, CodeGenius7121 is a YouTube channel where you can find all the information on web programming, coding, programming languages, programming courses, web design and development courses, and many more. What we do in this channel, let's see. If we click on About, you will find Hi everyone.
All right, thank you very much. And just below the video, you will find a lot of best courses on programming, web design, and development. And also IT courses like Selenium with Java, Selenium with Python, and programming courses. Okay, so you can just click here, full stack web developer, and it will take you to the one of the best courses around the world. And these courses are affordable, like $10 to $20, and within $10 to $20 you can learn whatnot. You can be even job ready. And IT career is very lucrative as they can make huge. We can check how much they are making. If you go to Indeed.com, okay, and check how much the web developers are making. We're in New York, New York State. Okay. If you go and check here, you can find it starts from 80,000 per year. Okay. Even they make 200 and more. Okay. You see how much a web developer or web designers are making. It's a huge. All right. So just for $10, you can get a beautiful course, work smartly 1 to 3 months, and you can land job. You can apply from here. Okay. Now let's go to Selenium tester, and you see they are making huge. Okay, fine. And how much the programmers, Python developers or Java developers are making? Python. It's wonderful, wonderful. So just go to the link and check what you can learn just for 10
Welcome to
bucks.
Code Genius.
Just for 10 bucks, you can have a lucrative IT career within a couple of months. That's the beauty of the IT world right now. Millions of companies are looking for IT specialists, web designer, web developer, graphic designer, Selenium tester, web automation engineer, and programmers. So stay connected. I will show you more information in the next video. If you like our videos, please don't forget to subscribe and make comments. We can be reached at wecode, wetest@gmail.com. Thank you.